Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at a simple start-stop circuit. I have it right here. It's a simple start-stop circuit. It is a 24-volt supply to this contactor. It's going to be going through a stop circuit. We got an E-stop here, and it's also got a start button, which is right here. And we just got it wired to a light for a green light, which indicates that the motor is running, or the contactor is being supplied with power. I'm saying what we have here is 24 volts coming in. We got a positive side, 24 volts going in to a stop circuit. It could be an E-stop. Right now it's just like a momentary push button, but all I have is an E-stop, which is doing the same thing. Anyway, I got a blue wire going to one side of the E-stop, and coming out of the E-stop closed circuit would be a black wire, which goes to one side of my start, and the other black wire is going to my seal. Connects here, which I got them all connected together. So we're coming out of this 24 positive volts right here, coming out 24 positive volts into one side right there of my E-stop. Alright, that's one side. On the other side, coming out of the E-stop, besides having wires connected somewhere else, I got two wires. Two black wires. One's going to one side of this stop right here. Let's trace it. One wire coming out is going to this side of that stop. That black wire is going to this side of that stop. Normally open. Normally open side. The other black wire coming out is going to the seal. One side of the seal. The seal. Coming out of the E-stop here. The other black wire here is coming out. Is going to one side of the seal, which would be one part of the contactor on a normally open side. And I'll show you that here. Here's one side of your seal. Normally open. N-O. No. Normally open. Alright, so that completes your E-stop circuit. Now, the black wire that's going to one side of your start is coming out a red wire, which is going to your motor starter. Let's trace that first. Alright. From this black wire, when it closes, and make it contact through the red wire. Yeah, I just got that velcroed up there. So this red wire coming out right here, and it's going directly to one side of the contactor, positive 24 volts. And that's it for the motor starter contactor until you get to your seal. Once you get to your seal, the other red wire is coming out of the contact side, going to your seal. So, besides just running another wire or connecting somewhere else, I connected this red wire, which is connected here, and looped it to the other side of this seal. When I loop it to this other side of this seal, the normally open, it'll seal the contactor in once I apply power. If I apply power right now and my E-stop is closed, not being pushed in, this should supply power to this contactor and the seal. When I release the button, it'll stay contacted in. It'll stay pulled in. So let's try. I let off the button. It's still pulled in. No problem at all. I push the E-stop, comes off, or momentary push button. All I have is a E-stop. On the negative side of this contactor going to the negative side over here, negative 24 volts. That would be here. I didn't say that a few minutes ago, but you had to have a negative going to one side of your motor starter. And there you have it. It's a simple start-stop circuit. I hope everybody enjoyed that little small video and maybe you learned something. If you learned something, hit a like, subscribe. Hey, I appreciate it. I just try to make this thing as simple as I could for you. I sure do appreciate everybody watching these videos, and I hope y'all have a great day.